Hello and welcome to Swansway Citroen and DS in Chester. My name is Dan and I'm just going to give you a quick video on this C4 Picasso. So this is a 1.6 BlueHDi Flair. With this you do get day running lights and the chrome into the lovely silver finish on this car. So I'll just take you around now. As you can see when you open the car, the wing mirrors are folding as well, and it does come with the lovely two-tone diamond cut alloys. Just taking you further around the car, it does have rear tinted windows and the chrome finish around the windows as well, and it also has the firmly insulated sunroof. That is a fixed roof, not opening. With the Flair you also get the automated boot and also the rear reverse camera just there. So in the back there is plenty of space, and it's got a spare wheel for all the features that you need should you ever need them, and it's also got a nice little extra of a detachable torch as well. To close the boot there is just a button here that you press, and there's also rear parking sensors there as well as the camera. So just taking you into the back of the vehicle. So these three seats are all individual adult seats, and they can all move forwards and backwards individually just to give the boot more space or passengers more legroom. And they are part leather, part cloth. And there's also extra storage in the footwells should you need it. And for any passengers in the back and for those long journeys, it's got the airplane style desks that fold down with a little light there as well. It also has in the back, for added comfort, dual aircon zones, so they've got control of their own heating. So inside the vehicle, so the driver does have a lot of features sat here. So if you've got littles in the back, you can lock all the windows and you can control all the windows from there as well, and also the wing mirrors. And I'll just turn the car on for you. On the inside, so I'll start up at the top, you've got a kids pack on here so you can keep an eye on the littles in the back, and you've also got an auto dimming interior mirror. Taking you down, you've got a trip computer there which also displays the sat nav as well. With the sat nav you've also got an USB port for linking it to Apple CarPlay or Screen Mirror Link, and then the second screen below is for your DAB digital radio, air conditioning, and all the vehicle settings to the car, which are all done by shortcut buttons just to the side. With the telephone, once you've linked yours to the vehicle, you've got all the controls from the steering wheel, which are easy to access, as well as the speed and cruise control. So you've got automatic lights and automatic wipers. They're done at basically just a pull of a trigger. You've got extra storage in the middle, and it's also a 6-speed gearbox. The passenger seat has a reclining feature as well as full massage, and so does the driver's seat, and it's got park assist as well. This model also has an electronic handbrake and an auto lock feature as well. So for the inside you've got plenty of space in there, and you've also got, if you're a bit too warm because of the sun, just a blind there which you can stop at any point or put in any location depending on how much sun you want in the vehicle. So I will take you back outside for a final look at the vehicle. So again, my name is Dan. If you would like to book a test drive or any more information on this vehicle, please give me a call on 01244 311 404. If you'd like to pay us a visit, the postcode is CH1 4LT. Thank you very much.